Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make your homemade pizza using the pan method, of which with this recipe, you don't require any oven to rock your pizza. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. For all the full list and measurement of ingredients used on this recipe, do check out the description box so you can get them anytime you want to make yours. So guys, into my warm water, I'll add in some sugar, yeast, and I will stir it up and allow the yeast to proof for about 5 minutes. And right here, I'm going to be using 3 cups of plain flour, which is equivalent to 375 grams. I'll add in a pinch of salt, and I will stir this up together. So if you have your Italian seasoning, do feel free to add some into your dough. Right here, I just added in 30 ml of olive oil, and I'm going to be using this to mix my dough. So right here, when I'm done using my stick to mix the dough with the warm yeast, I'm just going to take off the stick and keep on using my hands to mix this dough for about 10 minutes until the dough is no longer sticky. So guys, if you notice your dough is too wet, you can go ahead and add in more flour into the dough. And if you don't want to knead your dough inside the bowl, you can go ahead and transfer the dough into your clean work surface and use your hands to properly knead this dough for up to 10 minutes so the dough would no longer be sticky. So guys, after kneading the dough for some minutes, I'll go ahead and add in a few drops of olive oil, and I will keep on kneading this dough until the dough is no longer sticky. And at this moment, I will go ahead and add in some few olive oil into my bowl, and I'm going to be using it to rub the bowl and the dough. So after doing this, I will get my cling film and I'm going to use it to cover up this dough and put it in a warm place so this dough will rise and double its size. Minimum, you have to allow this dough to rest for about 2 hours so you will get that nice perfect pizza crust. But you can save this in your fridge for up to 7 days if you are not going to be making your pizza on that very day. So this is 2 hours later and my dough have doubled its size, and I'm going to punch the air off the dough. So right now I'm going to divide the dough into 2 parts, and I'm going to be using 1 part for my pizza. So these are all the fillings I'm going to be using. You can go ahead and use any filling of your choice for your pizza. And I'm also going to be using some mozzarella cheese. So right here, I'll go ahead and put few drops of olive oil into my pan, and I'm going to be using my clean kitchen towel to wipe it all over the pan. And right now, I will start to spread my pizza dough into the pan using my pan. So you can see how I'm carefully using my hand to stretch the dough out. But if you can't do this, you can go ahead and use your rolling pin to roll out the dough into the size of your cooking pan. So when I'm done rolling out the dough, I will use my fork to give the dough some nice piercing. And at this moment, I will start adding in my tomato sauce. So for the tomato sauce, I have the link of the recipe on the description box. Do check it out. When I'm done spreading in the tomato sauce, I'll add in some black peppers, which is optional. And I'll go ahead and add in some mozzarella cheese. And also do check out the description box so you can get the link on how to make your mozzarella cheese at home if you can't get any from your local grocery shop. So I'm going to be using some bacon. And I'm also going to be using some yellow, green, and red peppers. As I said earlier, do feel free to use any filling of your choice to rock your own pizza. So guys, when I'm done putting in my veggies, I'll go ahead and put in some black olives. And when I'm done putting in the black olives, I'll go ahead and add in more mozzarella cheese to cover this up. So after adding in my mozzarella cheese, I will switch on my fire and I'm going to be baking this on the lowest heat. So I'll cover this up and allow it to bake for 30 minutes on the very lowest heat. And after 30 minutes, my homemade pizza without oven is ready. Guys, the pizza crust looks so inviting and yummy. Yes, thank you so much for watching. So guys, let's go ahead and cut this pizza and give this pizza a nice taste. So while we are tasting this pizza, please do go ahead and hit on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will never miss any of my uploads. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did find this recipe helpful. And don't forget to check on the description box so you can get the recipe to the mozzarella cheese and the pizza sauce. And you are also going to get loads of other delicious recipe on the description box. Okay, thank you very much for watching this recipe. Till I see you again on my next video, do go ahead and enjoy this pizza with me. Wow, just take a look at how colorful this pizza look. And guys, I'm going to tell you the filling of this pizza is so cheap but very tasty and healthy. Yes, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check out for the next recipe that you are going to be getting on how to make this delicious pizza here, also without oven. Okay, till I see you again, to have a lovely day, to have a beautiful day. Bye bye.